Hello guys, Datta this side and welcome to this amazing show called Ask Datta Show, Online Marketing Made AG. And today we have amazing guest. I'm telling you, somebody who started from like farming family. He traveled from very secondary city from Nanded to Mumbai, and he built his business from zero. I'm telling you, nothing to more than 1 CR, having 5,000 plus students, entrepreneurs, and he's crushing online. The only thing I want to tell you about this person, the special guest, he was not having 100 rupees in his pocket around like 2 years back. And during the 18 months, he has transformed this game online. So welcome Purushottam ji. I want to welcome you here to this amazing show, and I want to दिल से मैं स्वागत करता हूँ आपका. Amazing.
Thank you so much, Dattatule. And I remember all those days. Even we are connected even more than 1 year, right? And
yeah.
roller coaster journey it was, but at the end it feels amazing to make all the decisions which I have made in my life. Thank you so much for inviting me here.
Yes. So दोस्तों जो हमारे viewers है, I want to tell you one thing here. This is going to be really powerful and really interactive. And I'm telling you, this is going to be natural actually. Purushottam is going to share his journey. He's going to share amazing golden nuggets which can help you transform your online business, or how you can start from the scratch, nothing, to the like crores or even the $1 million business. Okay. So I want you to please make a lot of notes. Take your pen, paper, diary, make a lot of notes, so that end of this session, you can share your comments with us. Okay. So Purushottam, I want to ask one question. What has been your journey and how you started? Like tell us more about you. I know that one, but let's hear from your mouth so that we get some insight. What has been your journey? What inspired you to do that one? Let us know.
By the way, people can watch that journey on my YouTube channel as well. But as you asked me question, it's my responsibility to tell your audience as well in a brief. So by the way, I am from a small village called Bijegao. It have less than 1,500 population. And my father is a primary school teacher. But when I was in 8th standard, I got to know that my dad got arrested. He was in a jail. He went in a jail only for 24 hours because of like some people planned it. And that is the reason some people got a chance to suspend my dad from the job. And then for 47 months there was no payment. So you can imagine what kind of situation my whole family, my dad was going through. Already because of belongs to farmers family, multiple financial problems were there. But because of this new incident, even health issues started coming into my family. And my dad got so much health issues like diabetic and a lot of things. I still remember that day, Datta, that I was studying in another room and the door was open. I saw my dad sitting on a floor and behaving like this, kind of like a child. And that gives me goosebumps when I see this. And after that, whatever I saw, it's crazy moment where my uncle used to tie my dad with a rope, put in a jeep, took him to the hospital, putting injections to make him calm. That was situation going on. As a 14-year kid, you know how many things he or she want to enjoy. But I was looking at all these scenarios and incidents around me. But I realized one thing, that I am a first child, so I have to do something. I have to get my family out of this, because I knew my family from ages and ages, they are living in a soil, they are dying in a soil. Even though there is a beautiful world.
Yes,
and that's why I said I need to take a stand. I need to show them this beautiful world. I need to break this chain. There is one saying, right? If you born in a poor family, it's not your mistake. But if you die being poor, it's your mistake.
Absolutely.
You have to be that person who can break that chain. And I thought I need to do this. That's how I moved from my village to Umri Taluka, then Jilla Nanded, then Aurangabad for 11th, 12th, and Aurangabad. Then I said I have to go to Dream City, Mumbai. And luckily I went to Mumbai, and then I started getting to know that I'm not able to communicate with my friends in mother tongue. My mother tongue is also Marathi. You are also Marathi, right?
Yes, we are.
So Marathi. And you can resonate with that. When I came to Mumbai city, people used to feel like even I used to feel like I am nothing. These kids have been like learning from nursery, LKG, UKG. They are understanding English, speaking English. I was always falling behind, and then I became a backbencher. And I was understanding nothing. Whole 1 year went like this, but in the second year, one word came in my life which changed everything. That word was entrepreneur, and I was not able to pronounce or remember the spelling of entrepreneur for the next 6 months, but understood the meaning of it in just in the same moment. Like in just 13 minutes, I got to know that the meaning of entrepreneur is solving somebody's problem. And that's how I started my journey. Okay, and I started a startup for this helping farmers to solve problem. I failed even after I was connecting with the Nana Patekar, but still I failed. And I got to know the biggest lesson, and that I want to give it to this audience.
Yep.
The lesson is you can't feed your family with just experiences. You have to have money for that, right?
Yes, that's 100% true.
With just experiences, you can't even feed yourself. So you need money for that, and that's how my vision, okay, मेरी नजर गई online business पे.
Yes.
Like यार, in an online world, it's something like if I do something today, it will give me fruit in the future. Let's say now Datta is guiding you on, let's say, how to generate leads, how to get more sales. If you learn that right now, and let's say if you start creating content around that, or if you start applying that, there are chances it will give you fruit in the future. Definitely your knowledge will not go waste. And
Yeah.
that's what I realized, and that's how I started learning online. And now I'm here in front of all of you. Have launched a course, first video making mastery course, to help people master video making skill. And then more than 4,000-5,000 people have going through right now in video making mastery program.
Yes.
And then I realized that I'm able to launch my course, and in from zero, as he mentioned in starting, that I had less than 60 rupees in my bank account. Yes, it was a situation in December 2018. I had no money to pay for my one-time lunch, 60 rupees. And after that, in 2019, I launched my course, and 2020 itself, I crossed 1 crore from that one course only.
Yes.
And yeah, let me continue. Just last one thing, which is, once I realized that I was able to launch my own course, what if I start helping people to launch their own courses? As I was learning from my other mentors, and I applied in my life, and we have to share whatever knowledge you have been applying. And that's how I launched that Coach Easily program. Like this is one. So full-fledged, all the things are going on. Coach Easily program I launched, and now hundreds and thousands of people are not only learning making videos, but they're also learning how to launch their own courses. And this journey started just from understanding the power of online business.
Awesome. So, Purushottam, it's a really inspiring journey, because I know that one, we started together, like we have some common mentors also. We are really blessed with them, like Siddharth and others, common mentors. We are really blessed, and we have seen up and downs. And I really, because mera bhi basically similar kind of backstory hai. The only thing I want to tell jitne bhi hamare audience hai, one thing, the never give up attitude and stay hungry. That is the one thing. Okay, amazing. Yes. I hope whatever like viewers are watching here get inspired and take massive action. Now let me tell you about like one thing here. You already explain about your story, and you share your amazing journey, that is like roller coaster journey, and now you are here. So if I ask you like what is your purpose, and now why you are doing what you are doing?
The main purpose which I have is, we say, like giving back. Okay. And I told you, our purpose and goals will keep changing as per we are evolving and achieving some goals and dreams. So when I started my journey, my biggest goal was just to give a better and comfortable life to my family. Okay, my dad wanted to have that bullet bike. He was dreaming about it. He never achieved that. And that used to inspire me. That used to be my purpose, that I want to give something to my family. I want to give them better experiences, because they have been taking all the efforts for me. And when I was able to achieve, I gifted my dad his dream bike, or let's say whatever home, like people, my grandmother, grandfather, whatever they want, now they have the dream life they are living. And then I realized, that was the only thing it was inspiring me, and now it's completed. What next? Okay, what next? So what I will tell you guys, your purpose will be depend on what problems you are going through.
Yeah.
And people take that problems in a wrong way. They demotivate and frustrate themselves. But in my case, I fixed that one problem, which can give me so much fire to put efforts. So always I do that. So let's say that time that was a problem, I took it as a purpose and I achieved that. And now I'm taking like how I can, let's say, help people to solve that problem. Now that became my purpose. Before it was my own problem that I want to give it to my family and all the thing. But now it changed. It changed that how can I help thousands of people who out there, they have these dreams with the problems, where I can help them to fix that problem, purpose, and starting actions and bring results in their life. So I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people to master video making skill and monetize
Awesome.
it by launching their digital courses. That is my
Great.
main purpose right now.
Yes, I realize because I'm telling you, the purpose is really important, like making money, building brand, selling programs. So whatever may be, right? It might be offline business, online business. I realize also, I also strongly with you because the purpose will help us to stick to the plan, no matter there will be an up and downs in the life, business, marketing. There will be always up and downs. The only purpose what you want to do and how exactly you want to help purpose generation will help you. Okay, so now thank you very much for that one. Now we are going to like a little bit switch the gears and I will be taking your brain on your specialty जो हमारे viewers है उनको भी solid insight मिलने वाले हैं. So now let me come to the very important point. The most of the entrepreneurs or experts, like whatever they are doing, like entrepreneurship or coaches, expert, consultant, whatever in industry they are in, if they are a business owner, no matter they are a self-employed, big business, medium business, or they're thinking to get started, what do you believe, Purushottam? Yeah, I should need your inputs. How much marketing is important in the business? The marketing, how marketing play a role in the business, getting leads and like that.
Yes, what I can tell you, let's say if you have the world's best product in your hand, in your company, but if you are not taking in front of eyeballs of people, who will buy? Okay, and to take your products to the eyeballs of other people, that means showing up in front of people, is going to done by only doing marketing. And if you are not putting your money into the marketing, and second thing, in the team building, these are two strong pillars. Okay, put money into the marketing, and then your team is to handle that marketing. Okay, what are the leads you're getting? So what I can tell you, I hope you already got to know that there is no use of having great product in your hand if you're not doing effective marketing.
Yes. So basically what I say, because this is my core also, what are the thumb up rule I say, after having, initially when we are building the business, we need to have great product that solve the problems. We need to have proper purpose, mission, that's all right. But if you are not getting more eyeballs, कि maximum लोगों तक हमारा product service नहीं जाता है, that is when we are doing disservice. Okay, yes, I believe that in your business growth also, like from 0 to 1 CR, I might have crossed more also. You might have done a lot of efforts on the marketing also. What do you believe, like Facebook marketing and online marketing?
Only because of marketing, man. And my product are selling only because of marketing. There is no other way, because all the social media platforms, the organic growth is nearly dead. Even though, let's say example, I can give it to people. Maybe you know big influencers, right? Let's say if you are in a, let's say, training industry, you know Tony Robbins or Russell Brunson or big influencers who have millions of followers on Instagram. Why they do Facebook ad, YouTube ads and this advertisement campaign? They already have 5 million, 2 million, 7 million, 5 million followers already. Why they do that? The reason is, if you want to reach out to quality people and get more and more results in less time efficiently, then you have to do the marketing. And that's the only reason we do it. Okay, even though they have lakhs of followers, millions of followers, but the social media platforms will not take you to the reach to that person, because social media is also somebody's business, right? So how they can give it to free all the people? So we have to put money into the marketing, and we have to learn how to do it effectively so that you will not lose your money. Okay. So that's why you should learn from the people. Let's say now Datta Tule also have amazing experience of 2-3 years. He's putting efforts, also failed multiple times, got amazing experience, which have the roadmap to guide you step by step. Yeah.
Yes. So guys, like if I tell you, like in the thumb up rule, one here, the marketing is really important. I call it, because I call it the marketing is the lifeblood of the business, and that's what exactly help all. This is the secret behind all successful entrepreneurs, business. You just name it, and they crush online. So that is the biggest takeaway. Now let me come regarding your specialty, in that I would like to take your really important insight from your side. Basically, the world is changing now. Business करने का तरीका भी change हो रहा है. So what do you think, Purushottam, यहाँ पे, like you are really, really great in video making, right? Video making, online coaching, like that one, that your core, right? How you can transform through your marketing, your coaching and other things. What do you believe that one in the online marketing or advertising or whatever we are doing in the selling also, how much video plays a role? What is the role of video nowadays?
Okay. I think I don't even have to stress on this topic, because now people already got to realize that, okay, it was 2018 or 19 where we have to make a differentiation, like, guys, make videos because videos gives better results. People already know that. Because what are you doing on a WhatsApp? You just tell me. Do you remember you reading long messages on a WhatsApp nowadays?
No, man, I don't have that much time.
So
I just
what-
watch 1 minute video.
Yes, it's very simple answer. On WhatsApp also, people are not reading, people are watching videos. So whatever you are doing, you're consuming a lot of content through videos. Let's say if there is a company where you want to know about more products or more information about that product, what you seek, आप क्या ढूंढते हो वेबसाइट के ऊपर? Where is the video where I can get to know more about this product? That is the importance that people are seeking for. How can I get to know more about this? By watching a video. If there is one problem they're facing, literally they go and search a video. They don't search an article where they're reading. Right now, seriously speaking, I bring one sabji, which is little bit weird kind of. My mom don't know it, like how to cook it. So what is the solution you're getting in your mind? Tell me. If there is a sabji you have bring and your mom or your wife don't know how to cook it, what you'll do? What is the next?
Basically, yeah, we can create the content on that one, like what is it?
No,
and
no,
how we can cook it.
I'm asking you, if let's say if you bring one sabji which is something new and your mom don't know how to cook it, what will you do? You will search a video how to cook that sabji.
Yes, that how to cook that, and absolutely.
You will not read. You will not read to cook the food, but you
no
will
man,
watch
no
a
man.
video. So this is the current right now. Just 10 minutes before, I was searching a video for that sabji. Okay,
Crazy.
I'm telling you.
Crazy.
This is like, I love to talk practical stuff that here.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
Yeah, I hope people now got to know that what is the importance of and how video plays a role when it comes to do marketing or doing anything. Marketing is all about making people consume your content, and people consume more through videos. So we have to shift through to video form content so that you can grab more attention and make people consume your lot of content. And if people consume content, your brand value will keep increasing.
Yes, absolutely. It's a really like insight from your side. So guys, if you see here, like if I talk about like this particular question, now in the online world, we are in 2021, we cannot hide behind the curtain actually as an entrepreneur. So he's sitting at his home office. I'm sitting at my home office. I'm also touching one CR. He crossed that one by sitting at home because of the power of video and creating content, connecting the audiences. So you have to think about that one. But now, Purushottam, I want to like, as you're like really expert in that thing here, I see that I get a really frequent question here from a lot of my students and my clients. I also have 1,000+ community. Here, I fear about camera fear. And I cannot speak in front of the camera. I never done that one. I don't have confidence. So like the biggest fear about the video. So why that is, and how people can handle, give us some tips.
So what I can tell, like mainly when I'm doing this Coach Easily workshop, I give 1 hour on this main topic where I can help people to go from 0 to 100% confidence. And what I have observed, the biggest question people get is what people think. Okay, if I make a video, my childhood friends on my Facebook, Instagram, what they will say. But this problem comes after this. Let me explain that. People, they are not making videos mainly right now because they want fancy, expensive equipments to start making videos. They think that. And you already talked about the purpose, right? So let me add that here. You don't need fancy equipments or expensive equipments to start video making journey. You need a purpose to do that. Okay, you should have that purpose why you should do it. I had 5,000 rupees Redmi phone when I was starting my journey with the crack screen from left side. Even though if I want to type something, I have to landscape and type from the left, whatever the left icon was there, like keyboards. That was the situation when I started. So what you need, the purpose you need, that is the first thing I wanted to clear that. You can start video making journey through mobile only, number one thing. Second thing is, let me talk about that one problem. Okay, that one problem is that what if my friends, family laughing on me or making fun of me or talking negative about me? I will give one scenario to them that let's say if you have a biggest problem in your life, in your family right now, is that person who is laughing on you or making fun of you or talking negative about you on your videos will ever come into your family to help you to come out of the problems?
No, man.
Never.
I have to take a responsibility. We have to take responsibility.
Yes, never ever. So only you are the person who can bring your family out from those problems. That means you have to take actions. And why are you worried and caring about the person who don't even care about you and your family? Why don't you stop thinking about them and think about like your vision, your goal, mission, what you have? Let me tell you practically, when I went back to my village, you know, right, कट्टा होता है जहाँ पे फ्रेंड्स सब लोग बैठते हैं ना, तो they told me, Purushottam, we used to laugh on you a lot. You are the first topic to laugh on you, but now we are proud of you. Now they are saying I'm proud of you because they said we didn't have any like awareness what you were going to do. So my friend, your friends don't have awareness. So what I will tell you is just give them a time to come back to you and tell you I'm proud of you. So don't worry about this. So this is the one thing I wanted to give you. I hope you're feeling more confident about that. It's not possible to cover all the content of the workshop in just very small time. If you want, maybe Datta will tell you like where you can.
I will give you a little later on. I will give the little later on. Yeah, definitely. I will give you a little.
Sure. You can, if you want to learn more about it.
Yes, definitely. Like as of PH Purushottam shared here, like the first thing is all about like your purpose, the helping people or getting that word, your service, your product, your knowledge, your expertise out of the world. That is your responsibility. That is the purpose. Second part, we should like remove that thought, what people will think. Okay, that is the biggest thing. And third biggest takeaway from this particular insight from PH, you don't need too much budget. You can have the like small smartphone, and you don't need fancy. If you see here my background, simple background. Initially, when you are getting started, you don't need anything. Your mobile, your good microphone, that's it. Go and do it, no matter whatever it takes. That's how I started. That's how PS started. And I believe that's how everyone started on this planet. We are crushing. Okay. So that's the biggest takeaway. I encourage all of you to take massive action because that is the biggest trend. I mean to say that is a need, not a trend actually. If you really want to grow online. Now I'm sitting here, he's sitting at home, and the people out, you might be in the, like any different corner of the India or the world. Okay. That is the beauty. Okay. Thank you very much, PH, for sharing this really amazing insight. Now let me come to the very important part. So like as an entrepreneur, we now all agree that marketing is the backbone of the business, right? So I want to ask a specific question here. How did you started your marketing with less budget or no budget?
Being honest, like I learned a lesson from Russell Brunson that as an entrepreneur, let's say I am a coach, like it's not possible for me to learn everything. Okay. But still in a starting, I learned about, let's say, Facebook marketing. And I learned that lesson where we can start with, let's say, 500 to 1000 rupees. And then we will keep increasing that 20% every day based on your ad performance. So I started with that, but later on, it was not possible for me to do it all the time. And that's why I have hired experts to do that. Okay. Because as an entrepreneur, there are two things. Okay, if you think you should learn about it, if you are so much interested to make these things, you can do that. But as an entrepreneur, you have to think about not only how to do it, but you can think about who can do it. And I found that who can do it.
Awesome. So my question, let me just rephrase the question again here. Like, you know, guys, I also started with the taking loan from my friend, my business. I was not having that big pocket money. I was literally like struggling to survive. And that I believe most of the entrepreneurs have that backstory. So my question here, like even though I don't have budget to run paid ads.
Okay. That is what you want to ask me.
That is my question. Like how can we start with a zero budget, the paid advertising also? What should be the mindset and what do you recommend? Like what you have done?
So what I did exactly is, let's say I have created a video making mastery program. Even it was not created, by the way. I created a landing page. And to create landing page, we use ClickFunnels, and it has 14-day free trial. Okay, and then I said whatever I want to do, I have to do it in 14 days also. Okay, so I created a landing page, and I also put the opt-in form there so that people have to fill up opt-in form. Then only they will go to the landing page. Okay, even that time I told you this to do it, right?
Yeah,
as you started. And then I used to get the people mobile number and their name and the email address, right? And then I used to call them to convert, and organically we have some influence where if we keep putting some videos in whichever industry you are in, start putting some content out so that people will start getting influence of you, that this is a person who works in this niche, in this micro niche, and help about these problems. And if the people start getting to know about you, you can offer them, this is what I can teach you, and people can go and give their email address and phone number. And that's how I started calling them. That there was a difficult journey, by the way, Datta. I think even you don't know it. I actually don't share any, I have not shared this anywhere. So the journey was, let's say my dad had an accident. Okay, he had 60 stitches on his face, even his teeth were broken, and I was living in Mumbai. So after a few, let's say months or around a year, when I was working on this area, so he was not taking care of that, and he was facing so much problem even to eat. But he was still trying to send me money there in Mumbai, and he was not telling me that. And it was Diwali time, I think. Before that, I came back and I realized this was happening. And for root canal of 4 teeth, they need like around 20,000 rupees. And that was the time I was creating that landing page, by the way. My landing page was ready, but suddenly I have to came back to my village. And then I said to dad, even though I had no money, what to do? But I said, we will manage. Let's go first and I will manage. And literally my doctor was operating my dad root canal, and I was sitting outside of that with the nurse was there. I sitting there, I was calling from there to convert people for 2,000 rupees. And literally every day I close 3 to 4 people. 3 days it takes for every two teeth. 3 days it took, and in 3 days I collected more than 21,000 rupees by just calling. So I got that purpose, right? I have to give that money to my dad root canal, and I have to do it. And that's how I started. And then I realized, yes, I can earn some money out of it. And likewise, then I got that love about calling people and converting them. Even though, let's say, I don't have marketing budget, I can't put in advertisement, but because of that opt-in page, people are giving their details, and I had collected around 50-60 people details. I started calling them. And I'm telling you, I crossed more than 50,000 rupees like this. And then I started investing like 5,000, 10,000 rupees in advertisement. I got some results. And then luckily one person on social media found me so genuine and energetic guy. And then he said, I know about Facebook advertisement. I would love to help you. And that's the journey started, bro. This was the crazy journey.
Yes. And दोस्तों, I'm telling you, all of my viewers, दोस्तों बताना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे हर किसी का जर्नी ऐसा ही कुछ होता है, लेकिन lot of people are not being transparent and vulnerable. And Purushottam has shared, like, it's really like a heart-touching story. Even though I think we are in 2020 now, COVID also, I was just doing agency business. I was just like surviving. You know, we had a discussion. You give me a lot of insight on launching, going online, full on. Anyhow, that one. So I was also like, literally, my wife was pregnant and my second child was in the like just about to come. I was literally not paying bills, but that fire, like you told, right? For your mom, your father, you are having that fire purpose. For me also, that was similar kind of story. Ki I have to do or die something because I cannot see my family and those situations. So now let's come to the marketing. Those, I'm telling you, it's not about doing marketing or doing anything. We have to learn. We need to have that purpose. To whatever the leads or whatever you have data, you have to be resourceful to convert those into sales, make a lot of offers in your business. That will help you to survive. Okay. Thank you very much for your valuable insight, Purushottam. I hope our viewers say they will get amazing insight. No matter they started a business, they're thinking to start, or they're already expert. That is the behind the scene things. Okay, guys, if you are loving this one, you can, if you're watching on the YouTube, you can share your comments below if you are loving that one. Now I'm asking you one thing, guys. Like, you know, I see last year, like around every day continue webinars. There are hundreds of webinar people are starting like crazy, a lot of entrepreneurs. And I was on to ask one question, PH here. Why most people fail in online business? Why most people fail in online business or any business? Especially we are talking about online business. They start the business. Why 80% people wipe out from the industry?
Okay. They fail because they want instant results. They want instant results. They are starting the journey and they want instant results, let's say in 2 months, 3 months. And because of that expectation, they fail. So there is one important question I want to ask you, that why people think about only success and results when they're starting this journey. Why not to expect problems and the challenges? Because without problems and challenges, there is no meaning for our life. But still, people only dream and think about success and results when they're starting journey, and this is the biggest mistake people do. Right? And that's why this is the biggest reason people fail. And when they, let's say, just take an example. If you start with the expectation that yes, you will achieve results or success, but there will be some problems and challenges. And if you're ready with that mindset, then you are ready to face those problems head on. But if you're expecting only success and results in just few days, life will knock you down. And these people don't have that mindset even to stand back. They give up. Okay? They give up. And this is the number one thing. And second thing is not updating and evolving yourself in day-to-day basis. Let's say right now, if example, Datta Tule keep himself same as per knowledge level for the next 6 months, and he's already running advertisement, he's already doing all the things, so audience is growing, he's getting more and more students, all things, but he's keeping himself at the same level. I'm telling you, Datta, you will not able to handle that success if you be the same person of previous 6 months. That means you have to keep updating and evolving yourself, and this is what people are not doing. They think they are expert, their learning journey stops. No, you have to keep updating and learning yourself, and you have to keep doing updates in your programs, in your business. You have to keep giving more and more updates, then only you will sustain, otherwise you will be fail. These are the top two reasons I am observing from my life.
Yes, absolutely. You have like what I can say, you have the punch like on the exactly the main problems, because entrepreneurship is all about, man, like I'm telling you, entrepreneurship, it means it's not an easy journey. There will be always ups and downs, but we need to have that strong mindset. We need to have mentors. We need to have that mindset. If problems are, let's welcome the problems. If there is no problems, there is no business. And you have shared that insightful. So, and like you have shared also how to win also. So how do you win? Like in case we want to win, if you want to give some 3 advice, in spite of initial failure, up and downs, I realize a lot of biographies, read success stories, but what 3 advice we will give that can help people to have that mindset of success entrepreneurs?
Number one thing I would love to tell you about from my journey, okay? I'm not talking about some like biggest principles. I am not a book reader or somebody. I always talk about from my own experiences. Yes. Number one thing which I did when I starting journey is documenting. I started documenting my journey, and you can't document your journey if you don't believe in yourself that in future you will achieve some better results. Okay, and that's why I want you to start documenting your journey. That means I want you to believe in yourself that you will be in a better position in future. So when I was in a problem, I used to document, this is the problem I am going through right now. Let's say I had less 60,000 rupees, less than 60 rupees. I have a screenshot of them as well.
Yeah,
okay,
I know.
If you want, I can also show it, send it to Datta. He will show you on a screenshot on a screen as well. Man. So okay, one account 56 rupees, one account 5 rupees. Why I took the screenshot? Why I have that screenshot till right now? Because I believed that day that even though I have less than 1 lunch rupees, like 60 rupees, but I will be in a better position in future. So I started documenting that journey. So this is the number one advice I want to give it to you, that believe in yourself and start documenting your journey. And once you're documenting your journey, important. Second thing is I want you to have a right mentor where you can resonate with the journey. You should resonate with that mentor. Second thing is that mentor should give you that enthusiasm in a daily or weekly basis where you are taking actions, where it will inspire you and push you to take actions. When you look at that mentor, you should feel like I should do more work. I should do this. I should do that. I should not procrastinate. You should get that feeling. Choose that one mentor. And the third advice I would love to give it to you, that the one which I told before, that keep evolving yourself day-to-day basis. People have their goals. Let's say they have a 3 months goal of achieving 3 lakh rupees or 1 lakh rupees, and they just keep running behind achieving that 1 lakh or 3 lakh rupees money, that materialistic results. But what if I tell you that 3 lakh rupees goal is not to just achieve that 3 lakh rupees. That 3 lakh rupees goal is to make you that capable person so that you can achieve that goal. But people are missing out that difference. They're just running behind that rupee goal, but they're not
Yes.
developing themselves. And because of that, when they don't achieve that results in 3 months, they don't achieve that exact 3 lakh rupees in a 3 months, they get frustrated, they demotivated, they give up. But if people have the mindset that no, this 3 lakh rupees is not the goal, me becoming capable person to achieve that 3 lakh rupees by creating that much value within me is the main goal. So if you have this mindset, even if you don't achieve that goal in 3 months, you know that you are in a better position because you are working on yourself, not you are not just running behind that money. This is what exactly I did. This is the third advice for you. Keep taking actions till you get results in your life, believing in yourself. That's it. And keep documenting.
Awesome. Actually, it's a really golden nugget, you know.
Yeah.
And I completely resonate with this because that's how it's helping me also to like stick to the plan, even though life's ke andar pura up and downs hota hai. Like, so 3 advice, like amazing, like documenting.
I can tell you one more thing. I can tell you one more thing, Datta, that there are multiple videos right now I have in my drive which I have not yet posted, which I have recorded when I was in problems. And in that videos, at the end, I said, if you're watching this video, that means I am at better position. Maybe people are looking at me as a successful person. And I still don't believe I reached that level. That's why I have not yet posted those videos. Just imagine that kind of what kind of documentation I have. Even if people go to my YouTube channel, the first video you will find, it is like locations will be same but situation will change, and that is a documentation video of my life from 2018 2020. Your mind will blown away by seeing how many things I have documented, and there are a lot of things which I have not yet shared to the world, which I am still documenting.
Yes. Amazing. So now, like, let me take you on brain on the next question. Like here, the very important part. Russell also says like, who is the best salesperson? That is you, right? I mean to say your own entrepreneur. You yourself is a self-based entrepreneur, or I mean to say best salesperson on the planet who work 24/7. So Mike, I want to take your brain here quickly. Like, how can we convert the leads into sales, or like leads into sales using videos? How video plays important role? It might be webinar, it might be direct selling, it might be ad. What do you believe, like what videos plays in this, like how in the business growing in the online business, if you take about like some modern world advertising, how video plays a role in sales conversion?
Okay. It works a lot nowadays. The reason is, let's say it's not humanly possible to, let's say right now I have 12,000 plus transactions. It's not humanly possible to get people to make the payment, man.
No, man, people are not making 99 rupees also. You have to call them sometime. But
yes.
The videos, I believe whatever the videos we have, that really plays role, right?
Yes. And now I can ask people, I can also ask people that how many times you have even made payment by just watching videos. Because in videos, people are able to explain what they have, what knowledge they have. They are able to educate people. And selling is all about educating people. What people used to do, let's say somebody is in network marketing, what they do on a call, what they do by having a meeting, why they don't talk about the product first, because they want to educate that person. Then only you can sell. And videos do that same purpose. You can educate somebody through videos. And at the end, if they want to get more educated, you can sell, you can convert them. That means they're converted as a viewer. They can pay for your programs, whatever the services you have, if you educate them. And you can use videos to educate them instead of putting your current active time. Okay, because you will not be available 24 hours, but your videos will be 24/7, 365 days, all the time. They will be there. People will be watching and getting educated and getting into your programs.
Amazing. I want to really like, suppose me or suppose Datta Tule or PH, the one person. The video can literally play role like 100 salesperson like Datta or 100 salesperson like PH, 24/7 literally. That is the potential of video in the online marketing. And I hope guys, you understand that one.
Let me talk something.
Not compulsory.
Let me talk something practically. Right now also people are watching this video and they're getting educated. And there will be some people who are serious. They say, I want to learn more from Datta Tule. How can I learn more? So there will be link in description. They will go and click on it, or they want to join your webinars, workshop. That is how it works. Right now we are putting our time here, but this time will keep giving us results in the future as well. Somebody wants to look at who is this Purushottam Hambade? Let me see. I have gone through his journey from this video. Let me know more.
Absolutely.
Let me learn more from him. There will be links. So this is how happens. So this is a practical example as well. They're getting educated and they will learn more, and they want to learn more. They have to go through the process.
Awesome. So now let's have some like heart-to-heart talk here. PH, like I know that it's a really often question. Like after strong success, like even though initially we were like, even though like if I get 1 lakh rupees, I would be really happy. If I get 2 lakh rupees, I would be happy. Even though I'm also crossing 10 lakh, I would be more happy. Somehow like like suddenly after doing all this success, you achieve the basic goals and everything. And whatever efforts you are doing for some like patch, so in everyone's life, there is a bad patch, right? We call it bad patch or it's a learning journey. If you start getting results, people are not buying products, your campaigns are not working, then how will you handle this situation? What will you do? Like everything is not working. Suddenly you are getting like hundreds of sales every day and you are making a lot of money, but something went wrong. The teammate left, your account got banned or whatever it may be. It might be anything. So what will you do?
Yeah. You asked me advice before, there was one advice which I told, that expect their problems and challenges. Okay. So let me continue that. So continuation is like this. Let's say you are so happy right now. Let's say you are getting so much results and you are feeling like successful. It's not permanent. Let's say you are so sad right now, so much problem going in your life. Why don't you accept it's not also permanent? So happiness, your success, your growth, or sadness, or the problems, or the low of business, nothing is permanent in this world. So every time you have to keep putting efforts to keep going through this journey. Number one thing which I want to share with you, okay? And second thing, let's say if you are getting this problem where you are feeling like now I'm not getting any results. You used to get results, but now you are not getting results. What most of the people do, they beat themselves. They beat themselves, they're not getting results. They always like, they put themselves down. That is the biggest mistake people do. Why are you beating yourself? So instead of beating yourself, if you look at what is good right now, okay, why don't you give that deal? You say na, apan patang udato, okay, we fly the kites, right? You're flying kite. So when you like, when there is so much tension, if you put more tension, there are chances the rope will break.
Yes, break, cut.
But if you give a deal, means like just give some more space.
Flexibility.
Yeah. Likewise, give yourself a more space. Instead of beating yourself, give yourself that place, the space, and leave all that for the next 5 days or 1 week or 2 weeks, and you will automatically start realizing something more I have within me. Here is the solution. So what you have to do is you have to get away, be alone, and reflect on yourself and understand it's called a balanced life. There are a lot of people, they know how to earn well, but how sad it is to not to know how to live well. Everybody is running behind only how to earn well, but it's so sad not to know how to live well. So you have to work on this balance of life. So give yourself 1 or 2 weeks, think on it once again, give yourself more time, do meditation, follow some spiritual gurus, or do some yogas, do exercise, just leave everything and don't take any tension, don't stress, don't beat yourself, and you'll start seeing a next version will start emerging within you. And that exactly happened in my life as well, and that's what I'm sharing with you. As I told you, I don't read books, I'm sharing from my life.
Yes, amazing. So basically, even though there will be bad patches, there are good days, good bad days, it's a journey actually. And the only thing I learned from your advice was self-reflection. And another thing, never beat yourself, because you are the one creator. You will be solving the problem. You will be changing the life. And why we should beat ourselves? It's a journey. Just chill out. Okay. That's an amazing journey. We should never beat. We must celebrate actually. Okay. That's fine. I learned something new and I will find out some solution. Amazing. Thank you very much for that really insightful interest. Now I want to ask really important question here. You know, guys, now the world is changing. There are multiple platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, everything. Some people are having thousands of followers, millions of followers. still their bank balance is zero. So I want to ask this advice: follower versus sales and leads.
It's we can't even compare that nowadays. Okay, people have like millions of followers, lakhs of followers, by the way, and they have no money. The reason is they don't have a strategies to do that. Okay, let's say we can't compare. The reason is, let's say somebody have followers and somebody have the strategies to make things happen. It's completely different game. And as anyway you compared that, so the solution is like, let's say if you have 100,000, let's say 10,000 email list and 100,000 followers, the 10,000 email list you will having is way more better than the 1 lakh followers on Instagram. Okay, that is the difference. And
Absolutely.
you'll be earning more money if you have a proper roadmap to bring that money back. People are always running behind, how can I increase my followers? They also put money into buying some fake followers or doing all that. But unless until you don't know the way of bringing that money back, if you don't have that roadmap, you don't have the funnel to make things happen. Let's say somebody is coming to your Instagram, and if you don't have a funnel to bring that person into your marketing system where that person will invest money, you will earn money, then what is the use of putting money into the growing your social media platforms? That also a point. So right now, if you go on let's say if you go on Datta Dule's Instagram or Purushottam Ambadi's Instagram, you will directly find it is a proper funnel where I clearly mentioned there are people like helping this many people, and if you want to join the workshop, there is a link, and then people following the funnel. This is what happens. So you have to have that roadmap.
Yes, there has to be strategy putting behind every single content. There has to be strategy. That is the important part. All of viewers still look for that one. While creating any single content, there has to be strategy. It might be anything. It's okay to have followers. I'm not thinking followers are bad, but when we are getting started our business, we need lead and sales. So I really appreciate your insight on that part. Now, let's talk about, we are close to your wind up for today. I want to ask what are the if you recommend, we are in 2021 now, what are your recommendation in 2021 to dominate online?
Okay, number one, as we have already mentioned, master that highest paying income skill, which is videos nowadays. Second thing, if you learn to make videos, there are chances you can also create as an asset, because videos are the asset nowadays. You can create courses on that, you can create videos and you educate people. That's the number one thing. Okay. And second thing, as I was talking about, you can create assets based on the videos, right? So number one thing that, and second thing is marketing. If you learn about videos, you can create assets, and to promote the assets, you need to have the marketing skill, let's say Facebook ads or YouTube ads, all that. And third thing which I can recommend you is start building your team. So you need these three things are very important to grow your business. If you're already business, if you are starting from scratch, focus on getting one skill which can help existing business owners. Learn a skill which can help people who are already doing business, where you can sell that skill, start earning some money, because you already don't have something to create. Then learn, because your skill have a value. Previously, your certificates, your CVs used to have value, but now only skill. If you have a skill, people will be there to pay for your skill and for your time. So if you are from scratch, learn a skill. Then make videos to share that you have a skill and approach people who need that skill, and then learn how to sell. And after that, if you start getting some results, then start putting that money into the advertisement, and then start learning about how to do effective advertisements, Facebook advertisement, YouTube advertisement, and then start having team who can help you to convert remaining leads and start keep growing, and that's how you can do it.
Amazing. So let me just summarize all these 4 bullet points. Like Purushottam has shared amazing insight. The first, have some product solution that solve the problem in the market. Second, likely have robust, I call it high performance marketing. It might be Facebook. Now Facebook is trending, but there are more platforms like Organically Plurd. There are many things. I call it high performance marketing. That your focus should be. And third, we have to think about building a team to support you, because you alone cannot grow your business. Right now I'm having some virtual assistant, I'm having some assistant manager also, they're helping. Those are the assets if you hire rightly. And what was the fourth point?
The 3 points I shared for the people who are already business. And other things I have given complete steps for the people who are starting from scratch, like learning a skill which people need and all that. People can watch it once again, so they will get to know that.
Definitely. We had like share our brain inside, like we have given transparent. And the fourth point was really important. Is like converting leads into paying customer. Whoever make most of the offer every day, it might be video, physical, telecolor, those business win. So make a lot of offers that you can win. Okay, it was amazing. And now Purushottam, like I want to ask, like you have shared really amazing, valuable insights. How people can connect you, and like let us know, like how they can contact you, or they can connect with you, so that let us know.
I'm super duper active on Instagram as well. You can share that Instagram ID, and there also mainly I meet people in my Coach Dilly workshop on every Sunday. Okay, as it's just 9-10 rupees ticket, so people can buy and learn. Because as you have been also doing that workshop, why people sometimes ask you why you're charging 9-10 rupees. Okay, even though you're earning crores of rupees, why you're charging 9-10 rupees? I tell people, I am paying 200-300 rupees for you to pay 9-10 rupees on advertisement. So I'm not at all earning money when you're paying 9-10 rupees. Why I'm charging 9-10 rupees is because I want those serious people. That means the 9-10 rupees you're paying is a ticket of your seriousness to learn for 4 hours sitting in one place, because for free it is not possible for people to sit for 4 hours. So they have something to invest, they can learn more. So to have that environment of learning and investing, I charge that. So that is the best way people can connect with me more and learn more from me, because more than connecting, I think people should learn and they get educated, and they can use that knowledge further, and that will be a blessing for me if they get value from my interaction with them.
Awesome. So guys, I want to tell you, like if you want to learn more about like video creation, even though online coaching and everything, whatever like we have shared the journey, I will be giving links below in the description, and also you might see on the screen, so you can click and check out. Feel free to connect with him. Also, if you want to really master like getting the quality leads consistently, building the brand, the why marketing plays big role, Facebook advertising, dominate online, you can check out my website, also upcoming workshop or event link details will be given below, so that you can learn more and master. Also, beside this one, now before I wind up for like this interview, what is the like on your whole journey, what the life lesson, the word of wisdom, only basic, very short, sweet 3 points or 3 things you want to share with our audiences, viewers, they can get inspired, the 3 things.
Okay, what I can tell people, that the whole journey which I went through is, and also I have shared a lot of insight here only. So if you are watching any videos, and if you are not taking notes, and if you are not registering that content in your mind, you are doing nothing. Okay, because people think they are watching videos, wow, happy, enjoying, that means they are no. Okay, the number one advice which I want to give from my life is, whenever I watch something, if I'm learning, I at least put some comment about that, or I should at least write down something which will register in my mind. Okay, otherwise there is no use of watching something. So please, that is the one thing which I want to share with you. And otherwise, all the journey, bro, I have shared, which is the believing in yourself. Okay, that means documenting your journey, and all the things which I shared. Just only one that advice is, watch this video if you want. Once again, go through the journey, understand that, and try to put yourself into the shoes where how Datta Tule or say Purushottam Ambadi or somebody who is achieving results. Why not you?
Yes.
Okay, and everybody deserves this. The only thing why people don't get it, because they don't want to work on this 4-letter word, which is WORK. Okay, everybody want that, but I'm telling you guys, life will give you what you deserve, not what you want. So if you want to become that person, if you want something and if you don't deserve, life will not give it to you. And I want you to become that person who can deserve it. So start taking action, start believing in yourself, and keep learning every day. Be a lifelong learner. That's the message I want to give it to people.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's amazing. It's amazing, guys. So for like, I hope we have given really amazing insight on journey that can help you no matter wherever you are. So basically, if you want, like, I believe that you have made the notes. In case you're not, think about that one. Please share your summary below and what did you learn and what do you think about this journey? What you action you are going to take? Also, please feel free to check out the details about PH, his workshop, also my upcoming workshop, and share your journey. I would like to personally review and reply back because I check all of my comments personally and reply back to you. Okay, so thank you very much for being here. It's amazing journey. More power to you. Take massive actions and keep watching this video and keep coming back here so that I keep bring you amazing interviews and golden nuggets. Thank you very much for you. Stay home, and take care of yourself until we meet again. Dhanyavad. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much and all the best. Bye bye.